Introducing the OneTouch Verio meter with ColorSure technology. Setting up your meter. This video doesn't replace your owner's booklet. Before using the OneTouch Verio meter to test your blood glucose, carefully read the owner's booklet and inserts that come with the components of the system. First, let's take a look at some of the features of your meter. This is the test strip port. Simply insert a test strip here to turn the meter on. You can navigate with the up and down buttons and back button here. You'll find a data port here to connect and download your results from your meter to a computer. And this is your display, showing you the time and date, battery icon, which only appears when the battery is low, and of course your blood glucose result in milligrams per deciliter with color-coded range indicator. Another way to turn on your OneTouch Verio meter is to press and hold the OK button until the startup screen appears. Once the startup screen is displayed, release OK. You'll notice that the backlight comes on automatically whenever the meter is turned on, and after a few seconds of no activity, the backlight will dim. Pressing any button or inserting a test strip will turn the backlight on. If you see any missing pixels within the startup screen, there may be a problem with the meter. Before using your meter for the first time, you should check to make sure the preset language, time, and date are correct. This ensures that the correct time and date are assigned to each of your results. The first time you turn the meter on, the Set Language screen appears. In the Set Language screen, press the up and down buttons to highlight the language you want and press OK. After setting the language, the Meter Buttons screen appears to remind you how each meter button works. Press OK. Now the Set Time screen will appear. If time is correct, press OK to save. If you need to edit the time, press the up or down button to highlight Edit and press OK. The word Saved will appear to confirm that the time displayed is now stored in the meter. The Set Date screen will be displayed next. If the date is correct, press OK to save. If you need to edit the date, press up or down to highlight Edit and press OK. The word Saved will appear to confirm that the date displayed is now stored in the meter. Your low and high range limits are used by your meter to tell you when a test result is within, below, or above the range limits set in the meter. The meter is preset with a low limit of 70 milligrams per deciliter and a high limit of 180 milligrams per deciliter. Never make significant changes to your diabetes care plan without consulting your healthcare professional. To change the preset low limit, press the up and down buttons to the desired value between 60 milligrams per deciliter and 110 milligrams per deciliter and press OK to confirm. To change the preset high limit, press the up and down buttons to the desired value between 120 milligrams per deciliter and 300 milligrams per deciliter and press OK to confirm. Saved will appear to confirm the low and high limits displayed are now stored in the meter. Setup Complete appears on the screen. Your meter is now ready for use. At any time, you can adjust the settings in your meter. Highlight Settings in the main menu screen and press OK to access the settings you want to change. There are two ways to turn your meter off. Press and hold OK for several seconds until the meter turns off, or your meter will turn off by itself if left alone for 2 minutes. Want to know more? Call 1-888-567-3003 for English or 1-888-567-3010 for Spanish customer services. Or visit www.onetouch.com. OneTouch. Every touch is a step forward.